Uniting the people, understanding the power of unity. Hello and welcome. Today, we are exploring the powerful phrase, unite the people. Understanding this phrase is not just about learning English, but also about grasping the essence of bringing individuals together. Let's delve into what it truly means to unite people and how it's used in various contexts. Unite the people means to bring individuals or groups together, fostering a sense of togetherness and solidarity. It's about overcoming differences, whether they are cultural, political, or personal, to achieve a common goal. The phrase emphasizes cooperation, harmony, and collective effort. Historically, unite the people has been a rallying cry in various contexts. Leaders use it to inspire national unity during challenging times or to bring together diverse groups for a common cause. It's a powerful call that resonates with the desire for peace, cohesion, and joint progress. 1. The president's speech aimed to unite the people during the crisis, urging everyone to set aside their differences. 2. Charities and social movements often strive to unite the people to work collectively towards humanitarian goals. Understanding, unite the people, isn't just about language. It's about recognizing the strength in unity and the positive impact of coming together. It reminds us that, despite our differences, there is tremendous power in solidarity and collaboration. Today, we explored the profound meaning of unite the people. It's more than a phrase, it's a principle that drives positive change and fosters togetherness. We hope this has been enlightening and that you carry the spirit of unity in your conversations and beyond. Thank you for joining, and remember, together, we can achieve greatness.